Welcome to Daily Bread, my friends and fellow beautiful humans, where you can explore simple, powerful, mind-body self-care tips that make a big difference in a little bit of time. 3 simple, powerful things that we can do to help ourselves, our loved ones, and all of humanity are prayer, meditation, and contemplation. 3 simple things, if you do every day, change your life. So today I invite you to consider prayer as simply 3 things. 1, saying thank you. 2, asking for help. And 3, asking for others to experience whatever is most beneficial for them. So prayer in 3 simple steps. Step number 1 is connect to something that you want to say thank you for. Just say thank you. Say thank you to whomever or whatever supports you. And say thank you for whatever you may be feeling thankful for. And if you're just not feeling it, don't lie. Skip it. Go on to step number 2. Step number 2 is ask for help. You might ask for help to become aware of what it is that you're actually thankful for. But you can ask for help with anything that you want to grow, diminish, or change. And you can ask for help from whomever and whatever supports you, inside of you and outside and around you. So say thank you if you've got something you can say thankful for. Ask for help for anything, with anything. And then number 3 is to ask for others to experience what's most beneficial for them. This can be your loved ones, your friends. This can be people that you don't like at all. But when you ask for them to experience what's most beneficial for them, we don't know what that is. We don't know what that is. And so to ask what's most beneficial is a really great trick to pray for others. It's just because beneficial is good, whatever that may be for a given soul. So very simply, if you will consider adding prayer to your daily practice, it can take as little as a few seconds to a few minutes. And remember that very simply, prayer can be just 3 things: saying thank you, asking for help, and asking for others to experience what's most beneficial. A few seconds to a few minutes, however long feels good to you. Because if it's to be, it's up to we.